guide to get paid. Payment terms is one of the important things of our job sometimes, especially when you send an invoice. Just remember to put the 30 days at the end of your invoice, so people know that after 30 days they need to pay you. You know that there is different kind of payment terms also for different industry, because if you work on the touring industry, sometimes you get paid weekly, sometimes you get paid monthly or daily, especially sometimes. It's up to you. Just remember, make sure that you talk with your client and tell them, look, I want to get paid this way, I want to get paid this way. Payment upfront, it all depends. Sometimes you can ask it, sometimes no. It's all about the relation that you have got with your client, to be fair. Remember to read always your freelancing contract that you have with your client. Just check the terms of payment and the cancellation policy. They are important because sometimes can happen the job get cancelled and they don't want to pay you, and you say, why you don't want to pay me? And they say, look, there is here the cancellation policy say that if I tell you after 2 hours before the job, you don't get paid. So just remember, just check this every time, and if there is not any cancellation policy, send them an email and ask them to send you back an email with all the info about it. Send always your invoice the day after that you do your job, just to make sure, just to keep them happy. You know, it's just one day, it's not a big problem. It will be everything always with the dates of the job on your invoice. Just keep them happy. Send an email to your client if they didn't pay you the invoice after 7 days that invoice was due, and just tell them, look, I'm gonna charge you the 2% of interest every week that you don't pay me. This is a big problem sometimes. A lot of companies keep forget, or a lot of companies just don't pay. I know, it's a strange thing that happen, but make sure that you do it. Make sure that you remind them, look, if you don't pay me, you will get charged the 2%, and you will see that they will pay you.